Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th tutorial in Fundamentals ICT series. In this video, we will be exploring how to create a comprehensive biodiversity report using Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. You will learn how to design a Word document with a title page, table of content and informative content, and then use the same information to create an engaging 3-slide presentation. Let's get started and showcase the importance of biodiversity with style and precision. To start with, let's open Word to create the main 3 pages and create a blank document. The first page could be the title page. To create a title page, as we saw in the earlier videos, go to Insert, Cover Page and create a cover page. Let's say the document name could be Biodiversity Report. I just delete the subtitle. Okay, done. So this is a title page. According to the question, the second page will contain the table of contents. So let's say table of contents. Then we have to create a table with 3 columns and let's say 2 or 3 rows. The first column could be serial number, second could be name, third could be page number. So serial number 1, 2, 2 and 3. The first thing after table of content could be number of species. Let's just start with this things and then move to the next page where we will be adding a paragraph related to biodiversity or importance of biodiversity and a table containing number of species in different categories. So let's first start with importance of biodiversity. Let's copy some paragraph from the internet. Okay, I'm copying this 2 paragraphs and Control V. And text formatting will be done using font family can be changed, the font size can be changed, text alignment could be adjusted to justify or middle or any kind of text alignments. Then we have to insert a table showing the number of species. So let's see if we can get some data from the same Wikipedia. Okay, there's the image here, so I guess we can't save this image or what. I have to see once. Okay, we can't save that image, I guess. So let's search in number of species table image. Okay, so we got an random image from the internet and paste. Center aligned. So we are completed with the Word document part. Next we have to do is a 3-slide presentation with first slide for the title, second for the table, and apply some animation text kind of things. So let's open PowerPoint, create a blank presentation, title as Biodiversity Report. We'll just remove the subtitle. On the second slide we will add table of contents with first as importance of biodiversity, second could be number of species. So second slide could be importance of biodiversity. So let's give the title as importance of biodiv biodiversity, and just copy paste the content which you have already written in the document. Let's say the first para, then the second para. Okay. Now we have successfully copy pasted all the data from the document or the report to the presentation, PowerPoint presentation. The last thing we have to do is add the table of what we have done for the number of species. We have to copy paste here number of species. Then go to the Word doc, press Ctrl C, come to the PowerPoint, Ctrl V, then resize. Okay. Now we have to apply animations as we did in the earlier tutorials. Like we have to apply animation to the text kind of things. So let's go to add animation. We'll randomly select few animations like I guess bonds. Okay, take it. Then we have completed with the presentation, and we have created some animation kind of things. So that's it. You have successfully created a biodiversity report in Word, completed with the title page, table of content, a detailed table, transformed into a professional PowerPoint presentation with animations. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more lessons in Fundamentals of ICT series. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.